welcome to the Simmons University Library. This video is a quick tutorial on how to understand the citation provided on your syllabus for your reading assignments. We will cover how to recognize citations for journal articles, book chapters, and books. Let's get started. These are 3 citations for the same journal article in APA, Chicago, and MLA citation styles. A key feature that will help you identify a journal article from other resources is that it will have a volume and sometimes issue numbers. This article only has a volume number, 74. Now let's move on to book chapters. These are 3 citations for the same book chapter, again in APA, Chicago, and MLA citation styles. Several tips that can help you identify book chapters from other resource types is that they tend to be quite long, they will not have volume or issue numbers like a journal article, and that they tend to be published by entities that have the word press as part of their name. Although this last tip is not always the case. Our example chapter is published by the University of North Carolina Press. Our final example are 3 citations for the same book, again in APA, Chicago, and MLA citation styles. Citations for books can be identified from other citations for other resource types by the presence of only one title, as opposed to the article and chapter titles and journal and book titles in journal articles and book chapters, respectively, the absence of volume and issue numbers, and the absence of page numbers, although your professors will likely include page numbers for the portion of the book that they would like you to read. Like book chapters, books tend to be published by entities that have the word press as part of their name, although again, this is not always the case. This example is published by Viking Press and does not include any page numbers and only one title, so that is how we know it's a book. Now that we've gone through how to distinguish between citations for journal articles, book chapters, and books, here are some further resources about citations. The Simmons University Writing Center can help you develop your own citations for assignments. These resource guides from Simmons and other universities and organizations can provide examples for how to cite different types of resources. You can also always reach out to the library for help. We hope that you found this helpful, and please feel free to reach out to the library and the Writing Center for any further questions about citations.